Press Alt plus F1. Creates a chart based on the current data range in Microsoft Excel. For example, here we have two columns data in Excel which we want to show in chart. So we click anywhere in data field and press Alt plus F1 keys to create chart. Press Alt plus F2, open the Save As dialog box in Microsoft Excel programs. With Save As dialog box you can save the current workbook with a different name or in a different location. Press Alt plus F3, in Excel you can create names dialog box, allowing you to define a name for a selected range of cells. You can use this feature to create names that refer to specific cells or ranges of cells, which can make it easier to work with and refer to those cells in your formulas and functions. To use this shortcut in Excel, first select the range of cells for which you want to create a name. Then, press Alt plus F3 on your keyboard to open the Create Names dialog box. In the dialog box, you can specify a name for the selected range and customize other settings as needed. Name must be right with underscore. Now we have to calculate total sale by some formulae. We write sum and in bracket we write the selected range name which is total underscore sales. Press enter. Press Alt plus F4, close the current window or program. Press Alt plus F5, restore the size of the current window in Microsoft Word. Then restore again, press Ctrl plus F10. Press Alt plus F6. Switch between open windows in the Microsoft Word. Press Alt plus F7, spell check selected text in Microsoft Word. Alt plus F8, open the Macros dialog box in Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel. Press Alt plus F9, display or hide all field in Microsoft Word. Press Alt plus F10. Show or hide selection panel in Microsoft Office programs. Press Alt plus F11. Open the Visual Basic Editor in Microsoft Office programs.